faraway land lived a princess, her beauty enthralled. The child of a sovereign who'd never a son, but a daughter he loved with his all. And he chose from a neighboring tribe for her groom, a young man, a soldier, a king, and soon to be wed, such a beautiful girl, to the one who would make her heart sing. But a terrible sickness invaded the realm, and the people were starting to die. For the ancients foretold of a terrible ill that would one day so quickly arrive. And so it was spoken, a beautiful princess, a pure and innocent girl, to stop this affliction should give up her life in order to rescue the world. No greater love, no greater sting, no greater joy, no greater pain, no greater thing than to lay down your life for a friend. The beginning begins at the end. The elders and chiefs of the villages came to discuss how to bring this to end. But the price was too great to be asked of a girl to lay down her life for her friends. But the warrior king, who was soon to be wed, was afflicted and started to die. And the beautiful princess, the purest of all, slipped away and then gave him her life. No greater love, no greater sting, no greater joy, no greater pain, no greater thing than to lay down your life for a friend. The beginning begins at the end. And before it was morning, the illness had fled, for the princess gave all she could give. Her body lay broken and given to death, so her lover and kingdom could live. No greater love, no greater sting, no greater joy, no greater pain, no greater thing than to lay down your life for a friend. The beginning